Hello, this is Audrey from Heavenly Scent Cut Flowers. How are you today? Today I thought we would do a cute little lab. My daughter has a lab. So cute. This dog's got a little, looks like a sad face, but he's gonna carry a basket of flowers. And I thought actually we would do a basket of yellow and white daffodils. Now I do have some other yellow and white flowers. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in or not, or if I'm just going to do all daffodils. I might put some of these little wispy bits in there. And also I have some greenery. I have some greenery with the white leaves I'm going to put in there. And I have, of course, my favorite greenery, but I just need to find some small pieces, maybe a couple small pieces to put in there, and some just odds and ends that were left over that I might put in there. I haven't really decided what is going in there, but I do know that the daffodils are going in there. So he'll be carrying a basket full of yellow daffodils. And I gotta put a piece of foam in here. So let me get a piece of styrofoam. We're gonna put that in there. And usually I just take and push it on there to get a somewhat of a design, so I know approximately where to cut that. So I just cut a piece of styrofoam and see how it's going to fit in there. And of course I need to cut some more off. Just shape it into, just shape it around till it fits in there. But I did think it was so cute with his sad little eyes. I'm going to cut it down even more so it will fit flush in there. We need it to fit flush in there. Still got to shape it around. I don't want them to fall. We actually have a tornado threat till 5 o'clock. It was just starting to get dark a little bit. I was kind of wondering what was going to happen of it. Okay, so now that fits in there pretty much, I'm going to get some tape and tape it. Let me get this dust off here. Oh, it's going to rain again. And you're going to hear it. I'm sorry, guys. I hope it's not too loud for you. Because I do have a metal roof. So I just hope that it doesn't get too loud for you. But we're going to tape this in there so it doesn't go anywhere. We're going to crisscross it because I want it to hold securely in there. We don't want it falling out. Figure out where I left off here. There. Now that we got that taped, now we can start. Now it's not going to go anywhere. But isn't he cute? He's got the cute little pink nose. My daughter's has got the red nose as well. Hers is a yellow lab. This is yellow and white. Look at those eyes. Okay, so now we're going to start with our greenery. Put some of that in there. Don't be afraid to bend it around where you want it. I'm going to have some coming out the side. And I'm going to put another one in there. And these are push-ups, so I can push them up as far as I want to go with them to make them fuller. So we are going to, again, pull it through the basket so we don't want to hide his little face. Isn't he cute? Oh, I don't know if you guys watched the turtle one that I did yesterday, but oh, look at how cute. We don't want to hide his face, so we're going to bend that around as much as we can. I'm going to push that down a little bit more. There we go. I think I need a cross piece here. One thing I don't want it to do is come out. So I like to cross my tape so it sticks in there. Okay, now look at how cute. He's like peeking over the leaves. So now we're gonna find some little bits of greenery here. Maybe I can find some of these odds and ends and put so it bends down, hangs over a little bit. This is so cute, and it's ceramic, so it's gonna last a while. And I like to use these odd pieces that I have left over, because it does help fill in. You know, I think that's just too long, guys. I think that's going to be too long. We don't want it to cover up everything. So I just think that's going to be too long. Let's see what else I got here. I've got some of these little green leaves. Maybe I'll put some of these in. That would be better. It's almost like boxwood, these little leaves. I don't want no glue strings here. So I do like to use whatever leaves I have left over, because as you know, everything is so expensive. Even if it's a piece of greenery. So I'll just put this greenery in. So I think I need another piece of this. I'm going to push this up. There we go, he's peeking over the greenery. Now I am going to see if I can find some small pieces of this. I don't know. This will go in there. No, too tall. Let me see what else I got, guys. I just want to get a little bit more greenery there. Something with a different texture. We I've got some of this. I think this is asparagus fern. We'll put some of this in there to kind of help fill up a little bit before we put our little daffodils in there. You always need different greenery for texture. The more different textures you have in there, the prettier your greenery looks. And I don't know about you, but I really like greenery. I could almost do a whole arrangement with just greenery because I enjoy it so much. The different colors and the different textures. And maybe someday I will do something with just greenery. Maybe a pot or something. This is looking pretty cute, I gotta say. Pretty cute. And that greenery just tops it right off. I believe that just makes the whole thing look so much better. I'm going to put one more over here. It's got a full basket, that's for sure. Now we're going to put our daffodils in. And these are on what these are on plastic stems, so I think I'm gonna have to take and cut the stem around and get the plastic off, because if I don't, the plastic's just gonna melt and it's not gonna stick in there. So we just want to cut the plastic. And pull it off. There we go. Now we can put the little daffodils in there. I think he's gonna be so cute. Look at how cute. We're going to put one on this side. Probably thinking, you're covering my face. I can't see where I'm going. Look at how cute. I just love doing things like this. Isn't that cute? He's just peeking over the flowers. Just peeking over the flowers. He's so cute. Oh, I pulled the stick out of there. Well, that's not good. Let's see if I can fix that. Yeah, that'll be good. Let's glue it in there just to be safe. take the glue off. We'll put one in the middle. Oh, he's got a basket full of daffodils. Look at, you can hardly see over his face. Look at how cute. Having his basket. Can you imagine trying to carry that basket full of daffodils? Little face. So cute. I love doing little cute things like this. Somebody might want this for their little bathroom or powder room or in their bedroom, or maybe a little girl or a little boy's room. Wouldn't that be nice? I'm trying to make it so you can see his little face. I thought we would just do one color today, make it monochromatic. After all, he is yellow and white. He's a yellow and white lab, so we'll do yellow and white flowers and match them. I thought that would be really cute. Oh, let's see, where do I want this one? Maybe over here. This is the last one, so we want to make sure that we spread them out. I'll put it over here. Now, I think I want to put some of these little wispy bits in there. I just put one set together because it fell off the stem. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in there. It's going to be too tall. I think it's going to be just too tall. No, too tall. Let's move on and see what else I can put in there. Maybe I can put a little daisy in there. I think that will work. As far as the wispy bits, I put a little daisy in there. Look at how cute. It's carrying the little daffodils. I'm going to put some little daisies in there. Look at, he's carrying that basket full of flowers. He can hardly see over it. So cute. We need one over here on this side. Okay, let me just look at it, guys. Oh, how cute. How cute. Gotta push him down a little bit so we can see his adorable little face. His little pink nose. Just gonna put a couple more in these, and then I think we will call it done. We don't need to get the glue string off there. We need just one more. Oh, that's all I got on here is one more. So then we can call it done. I'm gonna put it over here in this corner. Oh, starting to rain again. There we go, guys. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? Carrying his little basket of daffodils and wildflowers. I think it's so cute. So, if you're interested in him, in this cute little guy, you can contact me at Heavenly Scent Cut Flowers. I'm on Facebook as well. You can shoot me a comment. And have a good day, guys. Bye.